What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you how can you make $20 per day in your PayPal account. It's 100% free, 100% newbie friendly, and it's all wide open, so anyone can do this online job. And it's the best home job in 2020, and I will show you step by step everything how can you do this task and get paid by PayPal in weekly. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you will get a lot of info about making money from online, and it will help you a lot to make more money from online. And if you want to make big money like 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now in this video I will show you PayPal money, and you don't need any working skill and you don't need to invest any money for doing this online job. You can easily make this PayPal money. Before starting this video, check my video description and you will see my Facebook page. You can check my Facebook page and you will get a lot of info inside my Facebook page. And if you want to communicate with me, then send a message here, and you will get 12 income increasing bonuses that will help you to make more and more passive income from online. And all these 12 bonuses are 100% free for you. Now I will show you step by step everything how can you make 20 PayPal money per day by doing this newbie friendly job. So guys, check into my computer and stay with me. Here's the website Remotask. You have to visit this website Remotask first and you have to sign up Remotask. It's simply just you can sign up here by your Facebook account or your email address. Just connect your Facebook or just connect your Gmail account and agree with their terms and conditions and join here. Now look here, what's your task and how it works. Everything described here. You have to tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content, and a lot of interesting tasks for you inside this website. Or you have to need on and only requirements is fluent English. The on and only requirements here. Now so the 4 steps here. At first you have to sign up here, then learn, get certified in all sort of task categories. You will get all the categories for your task and you can do this task and get paid by PayPal. Now you have to work here to task in categories you have unlocked. A lot of tasks inside this website, but you are not able to do every work here. You can do only the unlock task. If some task will maybe unlock for you, and you have to exam this for unlocking this task. If you are able to pass, then you can unlock all the tasks. So before that, you have to do only the unlocked task and get paid. You 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 will get paid here by PayPal, and it will be weekly, and you can get paid here when your balance will be 50. If your balance is less than 50, then you can withdraw your money. So you have to make $50 first, then you can withdraw your money via PayPal. Now here is the sum of example of your task, what type of task you need to do here for getting PayPal money. You see images here, and you have to draw the images. Then here is one of the 3D images, then OCR transcription, categorization, compression, and data collection. You can do every task inside this website. And here is the community of this website. These guys already work here, and if you have any problem or if you have any question, then you can, after joining this website, you can join their community, and you will get the best help from the other members of this website. And you see all the frequently asked question. If you have any question to your mind, then you can search here, you will see your answer, and if you are not satisfied with this answer, then you can contact with their community and you will get everything. So guys, that's it. It's so much simple and so much easy for anyone for doing this task, and you can get paid by your PayPal. Now I will discuss some pros and some cons about this task. Now the first pros is it's 100% newbie friendly. So if you don't have previous working skill, or if you don't have any online marketing tools, then it doesn't matter. If you are a newbie, it doesn't matter, you can do this job. No sales needed. Most of the case in online earning, you have to sell your personal product or other people's product, but in this job you don't need to sell anything. You have to task here. It's a online job, and get paid via PayPal. Most of the people have a PayPal account, and I know you have a PayPal account too, and you will get paid via PayPal. And there's a lot of work you can do, so there is nothing to worry. A lot of tasks inside this website and you can do. And few cons here: you can't earn more than $3 per hour, so you have to earn $3 per hour. So as much as hour you can work here, as much as money you can earn. And it's not a passive income, it's not a passive income. If you want to earn passive income, then you have to grow your traffic sources. That maybe you can build a website, or you can establish your YouTube channel. That's it. Or you can't get rich using this task. So guys, that's it. It's a online job, and you can't make too much money using this website. So guys, that's it. Just take action and get ready to get PayPal money from this website. It's totally newbie friendly and so much simple to do every task inside this website. So guys, if this video help you, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. If you want to make more money from online, then you can subscribe this YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel will help you a lot to make more money from online. And if you want to make money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation, and you can make this type of commission like me. It's an high ticket commission, high ticket program, and I am making already 12 high ticket sales inside here. So guys, if you want to make big money like me, then check my number on recommendation. So guys, that's it. Best of luck, take action, and make people money per hour, per day, per week, per month. And it's the best, one of the best home job in 2020. Just check it and take action.